A stranger from the outside. Oh.
Hi Fun Kid Club, Rex and I had out of this world fun building our Toy Story alien. We think he's adorable and we love how much he loves pizza like the rest of us do.
Pizza.
I just want to open him up and find out what's inside. Let's do it.
The claw. Take us to your leader.
Yeehaw! We did a video of Mr. Potato Head. He was so cute. We loved that one. That reminds me of Slinky Dog. Who plays with Slinkies? I love Slinkies. Hey kids, that was one fun video. I love all things Toy Story. I love little aliens, and I love Play-Doh. And it's so fun making these with you. Thanks for coming to play at Fun Kid Club.